you have to build up a book of business. You got to go to them training classes. You got to pour into it and become a source of information for people, man. Because what you realize is a lot of people, they don't know